Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashana back with a new video, and we have a different setup today because we are going to be cooking. So as you guys know, I did make shrimp tacos for my family maybe 2 weeks ago, and babe, he came over, we all had dinner. I made some shrimp tacos. However, I didn't fry the shrimps, I sauteed them. This time I want to fry them, so we're gonna be doing that today. I'm making my own sauce. I'm making some, I don't know how to pronounce it, don't kill me. I'm gonna pronounce it before this freaking video is over. Anyway, so we're gonna have some coolers, we're gonna have some tacos, and we're gonna live our life, okay? So first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to check out my last cooking video. I did pancakes. Like, who don't love pancakes? So let's go. Okay, so first we have the shrimp. We have some seasoning. I have this salt-free seasoning that I love so much. Shout out to my mom. And we have some paprika. I want to make my shrimp have that little red dot, that little red tint to it, if I'm saying that right. So we have an onion, a tomato, a lime, a lemon. We have a big bowl because we have to wash the shrimp first. I have these shrimps from my local supermarket. These was $8.99 a pack, which is not bad if you're not cooking for that much people. I cooked for 3 people and this was just enough, and it was actually more left for maybe like 2 other people, so that's not bad. These shrimps are already peeled and already cleaned, so all I have to do is take the tails off. Now I'm gonna wash my hands and we're gonna just get the peel. Okay, shrimps are fully detailed, right? So we're gonna go in with some sea salt free salt-free we're going with some salt-free seasoning. Very generous with that, like very much so. Then I'm gonna cut up some cilantro. I'm gonna just, I don't know how you cut up cilantro, but you know, just chop it up. This is my marinade because I'm going to be marinating this for a couple of hours. I'm cooking this today, so yeah. Okay, we're going to use some parsley. I'm going to use parsley as well. I love parsley. Parsley is my favorite. We're gonna go in with a lemon. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of paprika, just a little bit, nothing too crazy, just a little bit. I want to give it that red look. So now we're gonna, hands is already washed, I promise you guys, and we're gonna just flip it on up, make it look pretty. Make it look pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the paprika because I really want to have this red situation going on. And yeah. Now we're going to be filming our own sauce. So we have some mayo, we have some Frank's Red Hot sauce. I think everybody knows what this is. And we have some garlic, lime, and a little bit of, I'm gonna put like, we're gonna use a little bit of cilantro, just a little bit, just a little tiny bit. We're gonna use a cilantro a lot in this video, and a little bit of cilantro. So now we're gonna first start off with a little container. I don't know where my mom get these containers from, maybe Dollar Tree or Family Dollar, this good stuff. So we're gonna start with some mayo. If you're a mayo person, do this. If not, don't do this. Okay, I'm gonna put this much mayo. Now we're gonna go in with the red hot sauce, and depending on how hot you like it, my boyfriend likes hot stuff, so, but he doesn't like mayo, so he will not like this. I want it to be spicy, so that much hot sauce, and we're gonna put in a little bit of garlic powder. Not a lot, just a little. Ooh, I smell it. Just that much. Suggest that you start off little before a lot. Now we're gonna use some lime zest. We're gonna get that in there. Cilantro. I don't know, this wasn't in the recipe. I got this recipe online. However, I love cilantro and everything, so we're gonna put on some cilantro. We're gonna cut up a little bit of cilantro, and we're gonna put that in there. Boom. And we're gonna just mix it up. Sauce is done. We're gonna put this in the fridge and let it marinate. We have our cinnamon boiling, and we have our grease. So now, while the grease is getting hot, I'm gonna make the Pico de Gallo. I think I say that correctly. Don't kill me. So basically, it's like a salsa, the one that you get from Chipotle. I'm just making it freshly made. So I'm just gonna cut one tomato. I'm cooking for 3 people, so 1 tomato is perfect because you have to actually dice it up and stuff like that. So I have to use a tomato. I have to cut up cilantro and an onion. I'm not a hot pepper person, so I'm not gonna put any hot peppers in this. So when my boyfriend came over, I just had some peppers on the side for him because he's like the hot pepper king. Like, he just loves spicy stuff. So yeah, that's how I make this dish, and it's actually freaking good. Like, if I had some tortilla chips, like, I will kill this whole bowl, like, literally. So instead of me using a whole onion, I used a half of an onion, and because, you know, onion is super strong, I didn't want it to overpower the whole dish. So I used half of an onion, and that was enough for 3 people. So I suggest, if you make this dish, use a half onion. time the grease is still getting hot, so I'm just basically preparing the shrimp. I am frying them, so I'm dropping it into this flour right here. So I just want to coat each shrimp, so once the grease is like nice and hot, I could just drop them in there. Okay, so these are my tacos. I got my Pico de Gallo, if I'm saying that right. Got my shrimp, my lime. I have my spicy mayo. Like, I'm living my best life, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Follow me on my social medias. Make sure you hit that like button. If you want more cooking videos, let me know in the description box. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.